ઓફકોર્સ ફ્યુચરિસ્ટિક તો આપણે નજર રાખી રહ્યા છીએ, પણ જો આજે તમારે નિવેશ કરવું હોય ને જો ડોમેસ્ટિક થીમ પર જો તમે નજર રાખતા હો, કઈ રીતના તમે ઇન્વેસ્ટ કરી રહ્યા છો, કે કઈ રીતના તમે ઇન્વેસ્ટેડ છો, કે કયા એરિયાઝ તમને આજે ગમે છે? બિકોઝ વેલ્યુએશન ઇફ નોટ વેરી ગુડ પણ કમ્ફર્ટેબલ ઝોનમાં તો છે જ.
આપણે જે ત્રણ પિલર બજારમાં આપણે નોર્મલી જોઈએ, વેલ્યુએશન, અર્નિંગ્સ ગ્રોથ અને મેક્રો ઇકોનોમિક સિચ્યુએશન. તો ત્રણમાંથી બે સિચ્યુએશન તો ઇમ્પ્રુવ થઈ ગઈ છે, કારણ કે આપણે 24-23ના પી થી છેલ્લા અઢી વર્ષમાં 17ના પીમાં આવીએ તો પી વાઇઝ તો આપણે very rightly said we are very very comfortable. Now second is the macroeconomic situation. 3 months back or 4 months back and today, there's clearly a huge amount of change. Oil is down by 30-40%. We are now in a comfortable zone as far as oil is concerned, which will ultimately benefit the inflation, whatever, blah, blah, blah. So that is also looking like that we are in a good situation. Now, third challenge is earnings growth. Now, earnings growth is going to come with a lag. It's not going to come immediately. So we have to see that how earnings growth pans out, because first 2 quarters, in my view, earnings growth will not be there because of the oil impact, and the first quarter was washout quarter for a lot of corporates. Second quarter will really kind of decide, and there are two more worries which we have. The ongoing domestic slowdown is a worry because we are actually in a slowdown. We are not doing we're not growing at 9%, 8% GDP, we are growing at 6-7% GDP. So domestic slowdown and the disparity of income and slowing down in the rural side and all that is continuing. Second, the El Nino, right? El Nino impact, I don't know, right now it's raining, but yeah, El Nino, I hope the El Nino remains nano El Nino, not the El Nino. So I think that will be a positive for us. And third, of course, the global parameters, which is right now looking like a peaceful, and which in my view should remain peaceful. So then you will see some kind of bottoming out happening in Indian market. But right now we have to keep our eyes and ears open. But having said that, the worst, if you ask me, worst about Indian equity market is behind us. The best is in front of us. I'm not very sure. I think we need to look at data points. We need to look at how this El Nino and even US interest rates, even the how much fall will happen in the global market, because people think that if the Korea માંથી પૈસા બહાર નીકળશે ઇન્ડિયામાં આવશે, એવું જરૂરી નથી. So we have to see a lot of things, and also at the same time government has to push reforms. Government has to do some really breakthrough reforms. I'm not saying the FCNR deposit is a breakthrough reform. I think we need to do really breakthrough reforms where we have to lure the foreign capital, we need to lure local capital, and we have to just see that we have to push the private sector to come ahead and create a job opportunity. So I think if you need to, for earnings growth masala, you need so many factors combined. And if you don't have that, then your earnings growth will remain 12-14%. That'll be a very unattractive market for investors to come and really make money. It will be like last 2 years market. So right now we are seeing the growth is not going to come. Earnings growth is not looking like coming from all the quarters. There are some pockets which are looking extremely good. But overall, from a point of view, we still think there's going to be a 10%, 12% earnings growth, which is not super lucrative to really create a big teji in the market. So right now, worst is over, but the best is yet to come. But we have to see a lot of pointers or a lot of triggers to play around. Yeah.